I want to show you how to split the file and get some descriptive statistics pretty quickly. So this is obviously SPSS. So the first thing we want to do, if we're going to split the file, in this case by sex, what we're going to do is we'll go to under data and we look for split file, right? Split file. And we get these different options. First one is to analyze all cases, do not create groups. That's what we do just by default. We never split our file unless we're asked to. We're going to compare groups or organize data by groups. So comparing groups, you get direct comparisons. And this is just, again, this is one way to do it. There's other ways you can do this as well, but I find this way as a quick and easy way to do it. But you got to remember what you're doing to unsplit the file when you're done, or you can analyze output by groups. So let's do compare groups, and the groups are going to be based on sex. So it has to be some kind of a categorical variable that you can actually break the data set into pieces. And I want sort file by group variable, so it's going to sort it like if I have sex is 0 and 1, it's going to sort it 0 and 1. Hit OK. And here, by the way, I have the code. Now, I know more recent versions of SPSS, you don't always get the code, which kind of sucks because this is a great way to learn coding. So I go to the data set now. This is under variable view. I'm going to go to data view, and I'm looking at sex. You'll see it's sorted, so female, and then male will come after. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to go ahead and do this analysis, these descriptives. So using this drop-down tab, I'll hit Analyze Descriptive Statistics. So if I need means and standard deviations, I'll look for the continuous variables, the ones that have the little arrows, the little rulers by them in SPSS. This is a scale variable, as you see here. Measurement is scale. Scale is the same as continuous or quantitative or interval ratio, whatever you want to call it. Let's just do body mass index. So I hit that, and I hit OK. And in this case, you'll notice that I get it split by sex. I get female and male values, means and standard deviations, minimums and maximums. If I want to get a figure with this too, because you need a histogram, for instance, you can actually, well, there's a lot of different ways you can do it, but I'd just go ahead and use the explore command, because the explore command allows me to do the same thing that I just did there. So we get body mass index, put it under my dependent list. Now I could have split the data here as well, but again, I'm just showing you this one way of doing it. Hit the plots, and in this case, I hate stem leaf plots, so I put the histogram plot, hit continue, and OK, and I'll get, in addition to basic descriptive statistics, I'll get histograms for female and male, right? So that's what I was looking for. I mean, you can get all this other information too, this box whisker plots. All right, so that's how you do that. And similarly, if you are interested in frequency distributions, so for instance, I want to compare free or reduced cost lunch by sex, I can just use the frequency command under descriptives, and the right chart is a bar chart here, because these are discrete variables. I hit OK, and I'll get the data sorted by sex as well. Okay, this just shows me how many missing there are. So I get the frequencies for males and females by sex. Don't forget, when you're using frequencies, unless you're interested in missing values, you usually report the valid percent, right? Valid percent, because this does not include the proportion missing data. Okay, that hopefully will answer everybody's questions. Oh, by the way, don't forget, when you're done, because in some cases you need to report the data for everybody in total, you go back to data and split file and go back to analyze all cases, do not create groups. So this will return it to its baseline. All right, that's it. Thank you very much. Bye.